Okay, so let's see, 2005, 2006 Dodge 3500, mileage 127. Engine was just replaced with a known good, and it will not start. We had about 14 codes I took pictures of, and we will clear that. I just cleared them. And we're going to go with a engine crank. Okay, first attempt on crank. Oh, manual, so clutch, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check codes. Okay, code scan. Okay, I just want to catch this on video. Right now it shows that our fuel pressure sensor has 21,800 PSI in it, and engine is not running. I don't think that's reading accurate. I just want to get a couple of these data on film, so I'm going to crank it. I'm going to crank. Let me back out.
Sometimes I need to move a little bit at George.
Okay, so cam and crank sensors are reading. Our fuel pressure sensor is not. Okay, so here's the bad one, and here's a known good. We just pulled this one off, and we're going to put a known good in there just to try it. And when we plug the known good in to atmosphere, it shows 21 psi, so fairly close for now. Okay, so we're going to crank it now. Now our fuel pressure is reading 0, so let's see if it... Yes. That's okay. There it is. So our fuel pressure sensor is bad. It may need to be leaked. We may need to change it because it has a crush end on it, but we're just hired just to try to get this to fire up. So anyways, Southern Arizona Power Stroke Service. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for looking.